Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. How are you all? Hope that you are fine. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome back to another video, and I would like to say something about learning English and how can improving our speaking skills. Speaking English depends on practice. Always time I say that you can't you can't speak in English never if you not practice. So must we have to practice day by day. English is a just language, but it is not a language at this time. Just it is a technology. So if you want to learn English, must we have to practice day by day. And most of the people and most of the students can't speak in English because they can't practice day by day. So if you want to learn English, you have to practice day by day, and one day you can speak in English also. I am learning English. I have been learning English for 7 years. Just I am practicing English, but I am not improving day by day. Just I am improving day by day at this time. You can see actually sometime I tell wrong sentence, but I don't care because I have to learn English. If I not wrong, never I can speak in English, never I will be able to learn English. So my teacher said to me, hello Shahid, if you want to learn English, must we have to practice. And some people tell you mad, but you should not stop your journey. Just you have to practice day by day, and one day you can speak in English. So at that time I listened my teacher. She is my favorite teacher. Comes from Alashin and Maulana Abdul Hamid Khan Bashan Degree College, lecturer English. His name is MD Imran Hossain Farooq sir. He told me that time, so I am very happy because I listened that time his speak. He told me, hello Shahid, some people always time tell you mad when you are speak in English. Sometimes you are wrong, no problem, but one day you can speak in English also. So I am so happy at this time. I am learning English also, and I am practicing English day by day. But I believe that if I not practice, never I can't speak in English. But if you want to learn English, you have to practice, and you need a partner for learning English. If you did not have any partner, never you can't speak in English. Speaking English very important for communicating skill. If you improve your communication skills, must be you should know this language. And if you want to international businessman, must be you should know this language. And if you want to get a good job, just you should know this language. So it is very important language for us. So most of the students should want to learn English. Most of the students should learn this language, and I believe that if you practice day by day, one day you can speak in English. So thank you so much, and see you next time, those who are watching my video. Assalamu alaikum.